So, you've got a car. Congrats! You've entered the world of freedom, independence, and unexpected expenses. But here's the thing. Owning a car is like having a pet dragon. If you don't take care of it, it's gonna bite you in the wallet. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 most common car owner mistakes. Stuff people do all the time that slowly, silently kills their vehicle, or at the very least, drains their bank account. So buckle up, grab a snack, and let's make sure you're not committing any of these automotive sins. 1. Ignoring the oil change. Oil is like your engine's blood. Ignore it too long, and your car becomes a very expensive paperweight. Every car has a recommended oil change interval. Whether it's 5,000, 10,000 kilometers, or miles if you're across the pond, don't just guess. Oh, and topping it off doesn't count if it's been a year since your last oil change. That's like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. 2. Skipping tire maintenance. Let me guess. You check your tire pressure? Never? Thought so. Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency, wear unevenly, and worst of all, can blow out while you're cruising at highway speeds. Oh, and rotating your tires isn't optional. Unless you like buying new ones twice as often. 3. Ignoring warning lights. The check engine light is not a suggestion. It's not just saying hi. It's screaming, hey, something's wrong here. Whether it's a minor issue or a ticking time bomb, get it scanned. Many auto parts stores will check it for free. Ignoring it could mean turning a $50 fix into a $1,500 catastrophe. 4. Not washing the car. Yes, really, no, this isn't about vanity. Dirt, bird poop, and road salt eat away at your paint job, and then your metal. That's how rust is born, and trust me, that stuff spreads like gossip in a small town. A quick wash every couple of weeks? Totally worth it. 5. Driving on empty. Living on the edge, huh? Driving around with the fuel light on might feel rebellious, but it's also terrible for your car. Your fuel pump sits inside the tank and uses gas to stay cool. Let the tank run dry too often, and boom, congrats, you need a new fuel pump. Hope you saved up. 6. Riding the brake. Some people treat the brake pedal like a footrest. Constant pressure while driving downhill or in traffic wears out your pads and overheats your rotors. Instead, try coasting when you can and give your brakes a break, literally. 7. Never checking fluids. There's more to your car than oil. What about coolant? Brake fluid? Transmission fluid? These are critical systems, and if any of them run low or go bad, you're looking at major repair bills. Check them monthly. It takes 5 minutes and could save you thousands. 8. Delaying repairs. That weird noise? It's not going away on its own. That minor leak? It's not just sweating, it's crying for help. Small problems turn into big ones fast. Don't wait until the repair bill has commas in it. 9. Bad driving habits. Aggressive driving, speeding over potholes, or launching from every red light like you're in Fast and Furious. This stuff wears your car out fast. Drive smooth. Your suspension, tires, brakes, and wallet will all thank you. 10. Skipping the owner's manual. I get it. Reading a car manual feels like reading IKEA instructions in a foreign language. But hear me out. It actually tells you exactly how to take care of your car. Maintenance intervals, recommended fluids, tire pressure. It's all in there. It's literally the secret to your car's long life. Bonus tip. Not listening to your cars speak. Not with words, obviously, but through noises, smells, vibrations, stuff you notice when something's off. Don't ignore those hints. A little attention now can stop a big breakdown later. Outro. So, there you have it. 10 common mistakes, plus a bonus, that too many car owners make. Avoid these, and your car will thank you by running better, lasting longer, and costing you way less over time. If you found this helpful, give that like button some love, subscribe for more car tips, and let me know in the comments. What's a mistake you used to make until someone pointed it out? Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and treat your car right. It's your second home, just with fewer snacks and worse music.